A key goal of data governance is to increase data literacy and trust. Business Glossary or a data catalog is a key artifact that makes it possible. The challenge that organizations face is how to engage business users with their data catalogs. After all, the users would rather be spending time in their applications and reports than in a separate catalog tool or filling glossary spreadsheets. But what if you could make your data catalog seamlessly available inside those applications and reports? That is what you can do with DvSum Data Intelligence. Let's look at it from Becky's perspective. Becky is a planner in the logistics team of a consumer goods company. Becky uses a shipment tracking report in Power BI to track planned versus actual shipments. She finds it useful to be able to access the documentation of the metrics from time to time, especially when she finds unexpected issues or variances in the data. With a unique browser-based plugin, DvSum Catalog is accessible to us right from inside our report. The catalog is context-aware, so it automatically shows us all the relevant business terms linked to this report and its attributes and measures. We are interested in actual versus planned weight percentage. We can click to find its definition. We can find more details about this metric, for example, when it was last updated. We have an option to navigate to the full catalog page of this metric with more information about business rules and data quality. Or we can click to trace the lineage of what data was used to create this metric and where it came from. Now we got what we were looking for. However, this description doesn't completely reflect the business definition of the metric. The metric is based specifically on net weight of the products, excluding the weight of the pallets. Having a specific and complete definition in the glossary will help ensure that the metric is understood and used consistently in all the reports and by all the users. So let's suggest an edit. Let's add the additional description. Now, some teams refer to this metric as TMS KP17. Let's add that as a tag, so anybody searching for TMS KP17 is going to find the same definition. Let's submit the changes, and that's it. As a business user, Becky, we were able to use and contribute to the catalog directly from inside our report. Now, what happens to this edit that we suggested? Let's switch to Sam. Sam is a data steward in the data governance team and is responsible for the logistics data domain. Sam receives an email notification about Becky's suggestion. Let's review it. Here we have the glossary page of the business metric in the DvSum interface. We can see the original description and Becky's suggestion. Let's accept it and publish the changes. Now, the enriched business definition is available to all the users, applications, and reports that use this metric. In summary, DvSum Data Intelligence is an easy way for your business users to engage with your data catalog, allowing you to run a lean, sustainable, and efficient data governance program that increases data literacy, trust, and adoption.